Yes, people, welcome back to another video. So in this video I want to talk about a video clip that I saw on Jamaica Gleaner YouTube page of this young man in Augustown begging the Gleaner to protect him from the security forces. I want to give you my opinion on this video, but before I do that, I'm gonna play the video clip and then give you guys my opinion. Alright, I'm gonna play the audio of the clip, not the video.
Yeah, so the police them ask me, them say, them are kill me, them not gonna stop.
The police won't stop till they kill you?
Yeah.
Why would the police have an interest in you?
Because family background.
Family background?
Yes.
So have you been in contact with any lawyers or any?
No, I did not. I didn't.
Where you are now, are you alone or are you in the company of others?
Yes. No, I'm alone.
Okay. But are you surrounded?
No.
Okay. Are you in the well, I don't want to ask you where you are, but are you in the community of Augustown now as we speak?
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Are you aware of what's happening inside the community?
No, I'm just here, so man dead and me a be people a scream and a ball and just somebody call me and tell me say them are just kill us. Everybody a call me and tell me, every single body a call me and tell me.
Or you were informed by residents that
every single body a call me tell me.
Okay. Are you aware of the persons who were killed?
No, me not sure. Some man, me not know. Me supposed to have a cousin. But them here say them take out and them go and kill him. Me hear my scream. Me not know. Which family, me just me call and them say him dead.
Alright. What do they refer to you as? What would you like to share your name with me? What's your name?
Akeem.
Pardon me?
Akeem.
Akeem?
Yes.
What's your surname?
I'm not even know my surname right now. I'm not even know what my last name.
Yeah, your last name. What's your last name?
Just show you the Gleaner.
Yeah, hey, how else would I have gotten your number?
Akeem Thomas.
Akeem Thomas.
Yes.
Alright, so Mr. Thomas, what could I facilitate for you right now? Would you like
come
to where you are?
Please. When you come out, you come out.
When I come to Auguston, you'll come out?
Yes. Coming to bed was gone, please.
Alright. I am alright. Alright, give me 5 minutes and I'll call you back in 5 minutes.
Please, don't tell the police if they reach before you never dead.
I'm gonna call you back in 5 minutes.
Alright, Tom.
Yep.
So people, me don't know if I believe this man or not. You understand? Because they must say the reason why the police force is looking for him is because his family members is involved in crime, and the police is automatically gonna look for him and kill him, right? To me, I believe, like, I have a belief. My belief is more going in the direction that he's a criminal and he's trying to hide behind the observer. You understand? So he is the police, right, is looking for him because he's a person of interest, right? I claim that the police is trying to kill him, right? So he must be involved in some type of mix-up, some type of crime for the police to be looking for him, right? And the reason why I say I can't believe this guy is because a lot of bad man in Jamaica, right? A lot of bad man. They commit their crimes and then they try to hide from their crimes. They try to put on pretty face and say, oh, I'm a good citizen, I'm a law-abiding citizen, I'm a caretaker for the community. When at night, they get up and them start kill people. You understand? So that's why it's hard for me to believe this young man when he says he's not involved in crime, but his family member is involved in crime, right? Even if his family member is involved in crime, it shouldn't come back to him. You understand? It shouldn't come back to him for police to look for him and want to kill him, to go to the extent of wanting to kill him. I don't buy that argument. I believe that he's involved in something for the police to want to look for him, and he's trying to hide behind a gleaner and he say, well, look, I'm a good person, I call into the gleaner and I'm trying to protect myself. But in my opinion, I think that he's trying to hide. Just a little backstory. This morning the security forces were in Augustown early this morning, and these criminals were in their bed sleeping in a bush, and the security forces came upon them. You understand? A big shootout happened, and the security forces put 5 of them to bed. And when I say bed, you must know what I mean. Put 5 of them to bed, and they found ammunitions and weapon on the scene. You understand? One of them looked like they were lay down in a bush asleep. You understand? And that's the thing, people don't understand when you become a criminal, it's a rough life. You have to hide from police, you have to hide from bad man, you have to hide from criminals. It's not a good life. You understand? Why don't you just try to find an honest job and do it? You understand? Start your own business. You understand? In Jamaica, even if you say, alright, you can't come with the capital to start a business, you have land in Jamaica. You have a lot of land down there. You can plant the land, farm the land, plant vegetables, tomato, all them stuff, to plant them. Because a lot of young youths feel like, hey, farming is a bad thing. Farming is for nerds, but it's a way of starting a business and generating income. And Jamaica badly need farmers. You understand? But that's a different topic for a different video. But it's not a good life running away from criminals and running away from police. You understand? You have all of the girls them, and you have all of the bling bling, and you have the nice shoes and all of that, but yet you have to still run from police. You can't sleep good at night in your bed. You have to go in a bush, go sleep on mattress. You understand? It's crazy. You understand? So for this young guy in the video, in the Gleaner video, where he's begging the Gleaner to come and help him. You understand? I don't think he's innocent. You understand? And if you look on the Gleaner, right, the title of the video is Duppy O. So Akeem, in quotation mark, Duppy O Thomas claims innocent. So tell me, a person with a name Duppy O, something bad must have followed behind you. You have to do certain things to get certain name. Because Jamaican people call it for what it is. You understand? Jamaican people give a nickname based on how you look and how them feel say you look. You understand? They call it for what it is and then give you a nickname after that. You understand? So they must have say, yo, this a youth is known for, you know, creating Duppy. So then they attach Duppy to his name, and this is a horrible name to, you know, to take on. You understand? Because when you take on badness, bad things follow you. Alright, what them say, old people say when you take on crosses, you understand, bad things follow you. And in this case, he have a name named Duppy O. You understand? And badness a follow him. His life is in danger right now. I hope that he turn himself into the security forces, and the security forces don't take his life, but he wind up going to prison, and you know, make the justice system deal with him in accordance to prove say innocent or guilty. But to me, I think he's not innocent. I don't think he's innocent, people. But listen, that's it for this video. Leave a like, share the video, and you know, leave some comments below. Let me know what you guys think. And so let's have a discussion about this video in the comment box below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.